Hello, Odd Job Doer here, and today we got a quick little video on how to deal with some carpet you don't like. So this here's carpet. It's probably not that old. Doesn't look too bad here. It's just not what we want, I guess. So what you do is you get yourself a little knife, like so, and already did some. Make sure it comes up, and just kind of pick maybe something workable. This is about, I don't know, 2 foot. And just get that knife in there. Just like that. Do it, knife. Now, grab like this. And get some nice cut downs. Maybe try to get it all in one whack, but little by little. And, wipe that stuff off. And you get some good cuts. And there's padding under there. Hopefully there's no wires. But, where am I at? Anyways, you get your cuts going like so. And then you give it a little pull. Let's see how you did. This part over here, it's actually stretched and tacked into the wall. So if you're lucky, it will come up easily too. And, looks like it's going to be a tough guy, huh? Oh, look at that stain. Maybe that's why it smells in here. Can't be me. And so you get these tough spots here. A little rip from the wall. And get back to this side here. More cutting. And more ripping. Anyways, I'll do this all the way down to the end here and pull up the carpet from the stapled spots. And then we'll have this here. This here stuff here, you see. Watch, look at that. Someone glued down. Good for them. Behold, the concrete floor of the house. Little cracks and all there. Ooh, look, Writings of the Ancients. 1/4. All right. Another 1/4. Anyways, so I'm going to keep cutting this up. And where I'm at, I'm pretty sure you just throw in the dumpster. So I'll be cutting it up, rolling it up, throw it in the dumpster, let someone pick it up, take it away, and repeat. And when I get this all done, something else will probably end up in this floor. So, Odd Job Doer, if you have any question, comments, sarcasm, whatever, leave them below. And thanks for watching. Oh, and while you're doing this, you might want to wear gloves like I have. Only actually put gloves on. And other safety equipment. Maybe knee pads would be good if you have messed up knees, or if you don't want messed up knees. What else can you have? Some kind of a breathing apparatus, because as you'll find out, no matter how much you've vacuumed the carpet, there's still going to be dust and little fibers from cutting and stuff. Those can't get in your nose, but other ones can. And so you want to protect your breathing. Open some windows, have the room vented, and that's enough for safety. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.